Hi guys, it's Tram. So yes, exactly 1 week from now, I will be flown off into the wilderness. Traveling alone at 17 years old may not seem like a big deal to you. I mean, I'm only 1 year away from being 18. But I'm actually the worst person to be traveling by themselves. I get sick on the plane a lot. I'm really bad with directions. Like, I don't even know how to get to school from home. And I go there every day. 12 a.m. I started thinking about the trip and now I just feel my panic starting to grow. Since I get asked a lot of questions about what art supplies I use, I figured I'll just show you what I'm packing for my trip. First off, I have 2 notebooks, with the first one being my travel journal and my second one my Moleskine sketchbook. And did you know I actually designed these 2 stickers, so yeah. Next up is the Arteza color pencil set, which is actually so pretty, look at that. And I also have my Crayola watercolor pencils. Inside my pencil pouch are some basic necessities like pencil, lead, eraser, highlighters, as well as some pens in different colors. Moving on to cooler stuff, I have my fine liners, which I use to ink my drawings, the blending stump for smearing graphite. Yeah, it can do that, pretty cool, right? The Colorist Prismacolor pencil for sketching, and yes, it's erasable, along with my water brush.
So we made it to the airport, but I am super far behind, like we are running late.
I made it.
You're here in the terminal.
Okay, so I made it to my gate and I wish I could tell you how stressful that was, and I wish I had filmed it, but like there was no way we would have been able to film it. I went through security, dropped literally everything that I owned, and now people are lining up and I have no idea if I should be in the line or not. I successfully made it onto the plane alive, but like I still have not taken my motion sickness pill, which is really concerning me. I made it to Hong Kong alive and I'm actually so proud of myself. You don't speak, do you? You would think that my trip would be over, but it's not. I still have like 5 hours on the plane before I get to Vietnam, so that's fun. My new friend left. He's not going to the same destination as I am, so now I'm going to be sitting all by myself. I know I didn't mention it in the video, but I really do appreciate you following through this journey, I guess, with me, because
It was very nerve-wracking for me, and to just be able to share this with someone was very calming, and yeah, I appreciate that.
Đi nghỉ mát một mình nó sướng lắm.
We made it. I just have to go and pick up my luggage now, and I have no idea where to go for that, so I'm just gonna follow the crowd and hope for the best. I've been here for 30 minutes and I still don't see my suitcase.
Well, it was until I got hospitalized and my mom got robbed, but yeah, good trip.
Bãi biển có hàng trăm con gấu non bay lượn. Ông tha hồ mà chiêm ngưỡng cho bỏ mắt. Hết người này đến người kia. Họ ào ào trước mặt ông.
11 p.m. I got back to my family's hotel. I took a shower, put on my Vietnamese pajamas, and as usual got called ugly by my relatives. Let me expand on that. I walked into the room and nobody said hello. The first thing they said to me was, wow, your brother is way more good looking than you. Overall, I actually really enjoyed this experience. I got to meet new people and I got to do adult things on my own. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I will have more vlogs up soon.
Yes, the second vlog would explain how I ended up in the hospital and robbed.
Please give this video a thumbs up and just comment some thoughts that you have on it. I would love to read them. As always, stay really beautiful and I'll see you in the next video.